The spreadsheet on screen does not fully display the contents of rows 2, 3, and 4. We are not able to see the contents of these rows because they are too narrow. There are two methods to adjust the height of rows. I will first explain a method in which all rows get adjusted to the same height at the same time. The steps to do this are shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to adjust the height of rows 2, 3, and 4. First, I select rows 2, 3, and 4. Second, I position the cursor of the mouse on the bottom side border of row 4. As you can see, the mouse cursor changes to a double black arrow pointing up and down. Third, I press the left button of the mouse, and while keeping it pressed, I move the mouse up to make the selected rows narrower, or move the mouse down to make the selected rows wider. Finally, now that the rows have the desired height, I release the left button of the mouse. As you can see, this method evenly adjusts the height of several rows at once. Now, I will explain the second method in which the height of a row or several rows get automatically adjusted to the height of their contents. The steps to do this are shown on the screen. I will follow these steps to adjust the height of rows 2, 3, and 4. First, I select rows 2, 3, and 4. Second, I position the mouse cursor on the bottom side border of row 3. As you can see, the mouse cursor changes to a double black arrow pointing up and down. Third, I double-click the left button of the mouse. As you can see, the height of rows 2, 3, and 4 were automatically adjusted. This method automatically adjusts the height of several rows at once according to the maximum height of the text in each row.
Hi there! You've landed at the right place because we have what you need to transform you from an Excel novice to an Excel guru at your workplace in no time. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.